How to create family and friends goal on Google Calendar. Hello guys. So first thing you have to do, go to Google Calendar. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Go down and click on this little option down here. And now choose the first one, click on goal and scroll down until you find family and friends. Now click on it and choose which activity. For example, eat with family 3 times a week. How long? 30 minutes. Best time? Any time. Now that's it. After you finish, click here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.